Today I want to show with this. So what we need is one pita bread and some cucumbers, onion, capsicum, mint and coriander. This is the mint and coriander chutney that I made in the video. You can check it in my channel. And we're going to need some salad dressing, this is ranch, and some peanut butter, some salt and some pepper. What we're going to do is take some mint chutney, apply it on the khubz, and then take some ranch, just do a quick application, and then take some peanut butter, just do the same, gives a good flavor. And then add some mint leaves, coriander leaves, some onion, some capsicum, some cucumbers, some more, and then again apply this mint chutney, some salt and some pepper. If you have white pepper, you can add, and that's all basically. What you're going to do is either you can eat it as a taco like this, or if you had less filling, you can make it as a roll like a shawarma. And this is the dish. This is my recent favorite. You can try this, and kids and even elders can have this for breakfast. It's very good and very healthy.